Africa have witnessed generational realignments when it comes to politics and economics for the past few years. And in Kenya, more so after the accession of Kenya Kwanza government in 2022, we have seen more young people, mostly notable age 18 to 29, young men and women taking to the streets and becoming more politically active to demand justice, good governance, and tackling of graft. Today, join us as we launch our YouTube channel, Bar 53 at 9:30 p.m. Saturday the 9th. We shared the links, we shall reshare them, and we welcome you all at 9:30 p.m. today as we relaunch our YouTube channel. We will be live in our YouTube channel at Bar 53.